so cute. Yeah, not so close to my feet.
Oh, Tennyson. Don't touch it. It's got germs. Look at all these little headstones. I don't think they're headstones.
Come on, buddy.
That's the entry right there of the moat. The water that goes in between the moat surrounding the castle. It's really fantastic, isn't it? Africa. Our first and only day in Africa. Oh, Tennyson, really?
Mom. Oh, you are not.
Wow, you just keep those fleas to yourself.
Mom, it's a baby kitty. They wouldn't be that calm. They would be wild if they had a disease.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Whoa, Tennyson, why don't you lick it? Give it a kiss.
No more touching the bags.
And you can sleep in a different room tonight.
Let me see that bag.